Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free VIP in Dress to Impress. This method is super simple and it's going to save you a bunch because VIP is not cheap. This method is going to use a DTI code that you can redeem in-game in the DTI code field, and it's going to supply you with a VIP pass for completely free. And this is going to give you access to the VIP room and all of the outfits and accessories and items. You can also get custom makeup as well, guys. So yeah, let me show you how to go ahead and get your free VIP working in 2024. So you can see you need to use a mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter which phone you have, guys. Just follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. And you need to go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. Robot Coupons. So this is a coupon code website. They have redeem codes as well for games. You need to just find the Dress to Impress secret codes page. Like I said, these are secret Dress to Impress codes, and you can get free VIP and of course as well as free custom makeup. So these codes are limited. So there is a process of getting your personal DTI code. So choose your code. This is a free VIP pass for Dress to Impress, and you need to unlock your DTI code, guys, for your free VIP. So you just need to tap unlock code. Now this process does take a few minutes, but it is super simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're now going to see this screen here that says VIP Unlocker, and you need to follow the instructions on this page, guys, to unlock your VIP code. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your VIP. Follow the instructions. So as you can see, I've got a list of different tasks here, and these tasks can be things like downloading and playing mobile games, or answering questions and surveys. So you just need to choose any 2 of these completely free tasks, and follow the instructions below each of them. So for example, this one at the top says download and complete level 9. So this is like a mobile game. So if I chose that one, I would click on it and it would take me to the App Store where I have to download the game and play it until level 9. Alternatively, you can do a survey where you just have to enter in your information. It's going to ask you some simple questions. But yeah, basically, guys, complete 2 of these. And once you've done that, you will done 2 of those tasks, your VIP code will be unlocked. Obviously, I don't want to waste a code and I want this video to be as quick as possible, but it will take you about 5 minutes to get your code. So it's pretty simple, guys. You've just got to go to Robot Coupons and find the Dress to Impress secret codes page and unlock your VIP pass. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Smash the like button, comment below if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.